Foundation, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ANZ, TV3, Classical Hits, ZM, Cafe Pacific, the Lion Foundation, and EasyCall.
A very good afternoon to everybody. How are we? How are the Wellingtonians? Oh, good. That's excellent. That's what we want to hear. Well, I would like to welcome here. Hi, Jyoti. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
By the way, I'm Sapna from Radio Tarana. We've traveled all the way from Auckland. And one of my friends said, one of my co-hosts said, why are we going to Wellington? Everyone is going to Auckland to see the rugby match. Anyway, let's start this Wellington Diwali Festival of Lights. You know, Festival of Lights is full of colors and full of lovely, lovely things to eat and nice things to see and lovely people to meet. So our first performance is a traditional Bharatanatyam style dance performed to a beautiful song about Lord Ganesha. This dance is performed by Neha and Rania, and it's a classical fusion dance. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please give a big round of applause to Neha, Nima and Nanya. Thank you.
धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुदेवसकाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमन्ताय भोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि अन्तरात्मनि गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते कायकाधीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि